Ty Show. I'm Ty Ty. I'm Scarecrow. And today's episode is called I'll Be Red! Woo! The first step is to beat yourself up in a way that makes it look cool. Step 2 is getting stuck in a train. Check it out. Fail. Step 3, fall in a window well. Jump. Step 4, wait, slide up the slide. Check it out, man. Yeah. Red. Step 5, kick a soccer ball, man. Step 6, get a really nice girl to push you really crazy on the swing. Ready? Step 7, jump it out in a really cold position.